All right, folks, it's time for another quick tip Tuesday. Previous video, I freed up a caliper pin. Very common occurrence at the SMA. I showed you a method where you could use a drill bit, just reach in there, twirl it around, find one that fits tight, get the schmutz out. A lot of folks in the comment box commented that they use like gun bore cleaning brushes, which I have a huge set of bore brushes, if you will, various sizes. You can use them to clean out the hole. I find doing this daily, them things do not last very long, and you're continually replacing them. Another method you could use is this method right here. A couple of folks had mentioned this. I have not shown this. This is a common practice, I guess, if you will, for cleaning out the hole. All you need is a piece of emery cloth and a piece of 1/4 inch rod. Now you can use an old 1/4 inch bolt. I actually had just some rod hanging around that I had, for whatever reason, threaded on one end. So I cut this off to show you guys. You just take a piece, yay long, however long that is, 3.4 inches, cut a slot in it with a hacksaw or cut-off wheel. Take your emery cloth, stick it in there, twirl around, be mindful which way you're twirling it, just get it so it'll fit in the hole. Essentially you're just making yourself a little sanding flap wheel. So you'll stick that on there. Probably ought to put it in the drill first. We'll wind her up. Friction, we'll keep it on. I guess we could stick it in the drill. Probably should have done that first. Lock it in. Now we got to redo it because we didn't stick it in the drill first. Get it like that. Go in the hole with it. We're going to give her a little Tuda brake clean. This is some AutoZone brake clean. Doesn't make the same sound as the other stuff. Not a sponsor. We're going to spray that in there, and then you can work it. Round and around and lose it. Oh, great. There goes that demonstration, folks. Probably should have stuck a bit more on there. Oh, this is handy. That's a great free tip there, buddy. Let me get a different pick. Well, it's just the real world, folks. That's how it really works. Probably should have used a bit more. Let's see what we have right here. Is that going to be too much? Let's see, she don't fit. Oh yeah, she's tight now. See that? Huh? Oh, MeeMaw would be proud of us. A little more there. There. Now she's nice and honed out. We'll give it a full douching of the brake clean. Of course, now our pin will fit good. That's it. Free Tip Friday. Can be used for various different hole cleaning applications and pretty simple to make.